Okay, so I'm in Bangkok, and this is my window. The toilet's right there. Some cool artwork, and I just wanted to go to this rooftop. I think there's like cats. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I think there's like cats. They're playing up on this roof. That cat just jumped down to that space right there. But you know, this is kind of high up there. So I guess they were playing and that one jumped down. It's like, oh man. How do you guys get up there anyways? And there's actually quite a few cats up here. There's another cat right there. Dang, that cat is, that would not survive that fall. Don't scare that cat.
He's pissed off. He's so mad.
Another cat? You saw the cats go up there. That's a rock. So this is kind of like a makeshift. I guess you're wondering what this is. It's kind of some makeshift apartments up on top. Man, that cat. Brave, dude. So this is kind of like, so let's just say the cat slips.
So he's trying to do, right now he's trying to defend.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
Anyways, this is kind of what this looks like from this view. City of Bangkok. You can see all these kind of rooftops and how some of them are kind of makeshift. Okay. This is their street below.
Just looking at around and see what you guys brushing slip yourself and then see. Just be careful. Be careful.
Okay. It's kind of a cool looking apartment area over here too.
Our country is literally under attack. I don't understand how people not understand.
I don't know, pretty cool, huh?
We are looking at a change in how.
Okay, so this is another part of Bangkok, so I hope you enjoyed this one and just another view of what the city might look like. Oh, part 2, let's just go. I guess somebody feeds the cat, so there's like some food that's put out on this thing, and then you let the cats just kind of roam around. That's some pretty cool stuff though. Actually, I didn't see this before either. This whole thing. Pretty cool building too. It's kind of interesting to be up on top and be able to see everything from this view. So okay, so hope you enjoyed this other view of Bangkok. And oh, what the heck is that? Is that a bed? Yeah. Phew. If someone was sleeping there, I'd be in shock. Alright, there are some pretty cool places. Like this was kind of interesting. Looks like this is also kind of like this. Someone just built these on top of them as another unit. Your laundry.
Gas line.